Okay, we're going to look at our next index rule, okay, the division rule. So let's take a look. We've got 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3. Well, let's write that like this. Okay, 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3. And if I go ahead and expand that, that looks like this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, now when we are dividing numbers, okay, let's think about this. If I've got a 2 on top divided by a 2 on the bottom, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, and 1 times anything is just itself. So effectively what we can do is, if we've got a 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom, we can get rid of them. And let's keep doing that. We can have a 2 here and a 2 here, and a 2 here and a 2 here. I don't have any more 2's on the bottom, so I can't get rid of any more 2's on the top. Okay, we call this cancelling. Now, well, okay, let's take a look at what's left. We've got 2 times 2. Is there a shorter way of writing 2 times 2? There is. That's just 2 squared. Can we see a pattern that takes us, a quick way that takes us from here to the answer? Okay, there is. I can jump and go this way, and I've just got to do 2, and we've got our powers here, which are 5 and 3. And instead of adding, like the multiplication rule, I take away. 5 take 3. Okay, and that becomes 2 squared. Now all of these only work if the numbers have the same bases. Okay, in this case our base is 2. So let's take a look at a difficult problem with that. We've got simplify 12a cubed b5 to the power of 5 divided by 4a squared b. Okay, well, let's do our numbers first. We've got a 12 and we've got a 4. 12 divided by 4. Okay, so I know 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then I've got an a cubed and an a squared, and it's divided by. So I'm going to do, using the takeaway rule, I've got a 3 take away 2. Okay, because I'm taking the a is the base, and I take the 3 from here and the 2 from this one, and take away because we are dividing. I'll do the same with the b's. I've got b, and I've got a 5 here, and if it's by itself, remember that's just 1. Okay, let me fix that up. It's just a 1. So this becomes b 5 take 1. I'll rewrite it. We've got 3 a 3 take 2 is 1. Okay, which is, I can just not have that because anything to the power of 1 is just itself. And b 5 take 1 is 4. And that's our answer.